All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a really long, low, cool looking Chevy with fins on it. 1960 Impala Sport Coupe. So they have the pretty much like the fishbowl. It's like a bubble top. Real popular amongst the Impala fans. But this one's finished in Ermine White. It's got the 348 V8 in it with the 4-barrel on it. And the only extra option really is this aftermarket air, which they probably put on back in the 60s. It's called the Coupe. It's got the old Chevrolet emblem on there. So it's probably similar to like what Ford did with the Mark IV air conditioning under the dash. But the dash is one of the coolest dashes is the 59 and 60. Really, with the way the gauges are laid out and everything like that. It's a great looking car in here. All painted. It's got nice red carpeting. It's got wide white wall tires, original hubcaps. And that 348's a torquey motor. It's like the really cool looking valve covers on it. We'll show you the motor in a little bit. But the paint's nice, Ermine White. The finish is excellent. Appears to be really solid underneath, not a rusty car. Some of these things have been around for a long time and the weather's gotten to them. But this is really clean. Got the power glide transmission, shifts real good, steers real good. And there's no power steering or no power brakes, so that's what you got. So if you want to update it, you can. You won't really kill the value of it. Some people put disc brakes or they put an overdrive transmission, like a 4-speed. This just has the 2-speed. But they're only original once, so this one's a nice original car, original engine. Might be better just to leave it the way it is and just drive it. It drives like it did in 1960. Look at that, I can one-hand it with no power steering. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and more video so you get a better look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our 1960 Impala Sport Coupe. So it's a 2-door hardtop. It's got that really cool look when all the windows are down, you got no post. It's beautiful. Super cool for hanging your arm out the window while you're cruising. Of course, it's got big fins. Finished in Ermine White. A little windy out here. Red and white interior. Of course, got the signature triple tail lights for the Impala. I have a 58 myself. First year of the Impala. I love Impalas. They're big, they're beautiful. Come from a simpler time. Got the really cool Impala emblems there. This one's got the updated Coker wide white wall tires. They're radials, so they ride nice, not like the bias ply. All the chrome, paint, fit and finish, really nice. This is not a completely restored car, just well kept. Show you the interior. It's got the houndstooth interior, which is really cool looking. Red and white. Looks like a 50s diner in here. Original steering wheel, and this aftermarket air conditioning, which I think is probably put in when it was new at the dealer. Even the knobs match, you know, for the stereo. So it's an old school Chevrolet Coupe air conditioning system, and it works. It's got the rear speaker there, AM radio. Headliner's nice. Here's your VIN number. Nice no stories car. The glass is all good. Good looking car. Runs and drives well. Nice Impala. Here's the power plant in the 60 Impala. It's a 348. It's got the 4-jet on there. I think it's rated at 250 horsepower, what they were when they were new. But nothing else under here. Got a generator. There's your brake master. Some new components here and there, so it drives nice. That giant AC compressor, you can tell that's from back in the day. But really clean under the hood. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds good. Good running little motor. Goes down the road nice. It's got that power glide whine, that 2-speed automatic, cast iron power glide. That's exhaust running out the back. Sounds good. Love those fins. All the stainless and chrome and everything are in great shape. but it's got dual exhaust. Sounds good going up the road. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. I'd be happy to show you the car in person. My name's Rich, and if you need some shipping or some financing or whatever, we can maybe help you with that too. Thanks for watching.